track left. Working trot to E. At E, circle left 20 meters. Proceed in working trot to F.
Circle.
I think he's not very good at circles yet.
F, X, H, change the rein.
I think they're both mine.
Show some lengthened strides over the center line. H, working trot. No, change the rein. Go on.
Tuossa kun oli kuin nunnumi leikseämään se on.
Trot on. B, circle right, 20 meters.
Did he not sleep good?
Proceed in working trot to K. KXM, change the rein. Show some lengthened strides over the center line. M, working trot. Between C and H, working canter left. Returning to trot before A. Sit. Retrot before A. F, medium walk.
And go down. You wanna go down?
B, turn left. Walk, you're walking. E, turn track right. HCM, free walk on a long rein. M, medium walk.
Yeah, good.
B, working trot.
Be afraid. Be very afraid.
Between A and K, working canter right.
Okay, you want to fight?
Yeah, you want this? You want this? I'm ready for it.
Returning to trot before C. CMBF, working trot. A, down the center line.
I can't see.
X, halt, immobility, and salute. Leave the arena at a free walk on a long rein.